Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fundamentals of English. In today's session, we are going to see the mirror images of alphabets and numbers combined. So we are having some problems in the mirror images which we are getting for the competitive exams, which contains alphabets and numbers both combined. Earlier we have seen in previous parts mirror images of capital letters, small letters and numbers. Based on that, we are going to complete the fourth part, in which there are some problems. There you can see the alphabets and numbers combined, and that we are going to see how the shortcut trick, based on that we can solve, that we are going to see in this lecture. So watch full video, you will understand how we get the mirror image of alphabets and numbers which are combined. So this image formation is based on the principle of lateral inversion. So what is meant by lateral inversion? Here the mirror image which we are getting is the reflected duplication of an object that appears almost identical, means size of the object will not change, but it is reversed in the direction perpendicular to the mirror surface. So there we are, what we are getting, the left and right, the positions are changed. The positions are changed, means left view is seen at the right and right view is seen at the left. So here the questions which we are getting, that few figures are given and you have to find out which is the exact mirror image of the given figure by mirror placed aside. So here we can nullify the option. So how we can solve it, that we are going to see. So first, in the capital letters, already we have seen there are 11 letters, like this one A, then H, I is there, then we are having M, O, then U, T, V, W, X and Y. So these are 11 letters which are giving the same mirror image in the capital. In small letters we know that I, then L, then M, O, then we are having V, W and X. So there are 7 letters in small letter are given the exact mirror image. Also in the numbers we know that only one number which giving the exact replica of the mirror image, that is number 8, only one number. So while considering all these the points, that in capital letters 11, in small we are having 7, and in the numbers we are having one number which is reflected as same. So based on this we will solve some numericals. So here choose the mirror image of the following combination of alphabets and numbers from the 4 alternatives given mirror below. So here this is the option, and based on these 4 options we have to get the correct mirror image of this, so which contains number and alphabets. So we know that whenever we are getting the mirror image based on the lateral inversion principle, that is left and right, the position are changed. The position are changed. That left portion is seen at the right and right portion is seen at the left. Also the first letter which is seen at the last and last letter will be seen at the first. But the size will not change, only the position will change. First letter will be seen at last, last letter will be seen at first. So here we know the principle. So 2 will be seen at first. So this is the mirror image, then 1, then Q will be seen like this, then we are having 3, then 4, how much this is where it will look like, then we are having S, then N will be like this, and A will be reflected as same. So we are getting this reflection we are getting. So we can nullify the option. So here first option A will be at first position, so that is not following the lateral inversion principle, so it is wrong. Then 2, second option 2, 1, Q, 3, 4, S, N, A, it is giving correct. Here the position 1 and 2 is changed, so it is wrong. Here also the position is changed, so it is wrong. So option 2 is correct based on the lateral inversion principle. We'll see again another example which contains all the letters and numbers. So here small letters and capital letters are there. So based on that, so this is our mirror, and we have to get the exact mirror image from this 4 option. So we know the lateral inversion principle, first letter will be seen at last and last letter will be seen at first. So this is our last letter, so this is our mirror image of R. Then we are having U, so U will be look like this. In this way we are getting reflection of U. Then 7, then we are having P, so P will be look like Q. Then 6, how we are getting like this, we are getting 6, then 5 in this way, then again U, earlier we have drawn, so U will be like this, and N how much we are getting like this, N. So from this option you can see first option the N will be at first position, so this is wrong. Second option R at last position, then Q, 6 is given, N, U is given, right, but U position it is shown wrong, that it is given mirror image, so it is wrong. Then third option R, U, 7, Q, 6, 5, U and N, so this is correct. Here you can see here the mirror image of P, it is showing D, so it is wrong. So option third is correct based on the lateral inversion principle. So by using this you can solve these 2 exercises and put the correct answer in the comment box. Among the 4 options, put the correct answer in the comment box. Hope you like this concept, the shortcut trick how we are getting the mirror image which contains alphabets and numbers. If you like it, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon to get more notification. So thank you very much.